Hi guys, have you ever been in a situation where people have contacted you many times through WhatsApp and you have let them know that they should leave you alone, but they didn't, and you wanted to block them? Or for example, as in my case, you have been contacted by a scammer and then they wanted to get personal information from you, so I just blocked the person. In this video, I will be talking about how you can block people on WhatsApp. I'll also show you how you can unblock the same person in case you would make a mistake or change your mind in the future, and also discuss what it does for the other side, what they can do, and how it will affect your account. So first of all, let's start with how to block, and I will show you two different ways. So first of all, you can go to any chat. So for me, it's the first one. And here at the top left corner, you can press the icon, scroll down to very bottom, and I have already blocked it, but here it would say block business or block contact. And in my case, since it's already blocked, I can unblock it right here. Alternatively, you can press on settings. On Android, there would be 3 dots at the top, and then press settings, and then press account, privacy, and then you can see blocked, and you can see I have 2 contacts. You can press add new. This will open up the list of contacts that you can block. And also you can press edit and then delete the blocked contacts, so they will no longer be blocked, or go in the same way here, scroll down, and then you can unblock the same person. So this is how to block a person or unblock on WhatsApp. Now let's discuss how this will affect the account. So first of all, when you block a certain contact, then you won't receive any new messages from them, but you will be able to still see the history. So what you have been talking about in the past prior to the blocking of the contact. But afterwards, if they keep sending the messages, you will no longer be able to see them. Furthermore, please note that the person that you have blocked, they won't be able to see when you are online. So they will not see the status, and also the status updates that you might put into the program, they won't be able to see them as well. If you have 2 or more devices where you have installed WhatsApp, and if they are linked, so you are logging in with the same account, this would mean that the same people will be blocked on these different devices. However, if you are logging in with separate accounts to the 2 different devices, then the blocked people will be separate, so they will not be linked. Please remember also that this is only blocking on WhatsApp. If you would want to block on the phone, you would need to take extra steps. This means that they will still be able to send you an SMS or call you regularly through your phone number. So you would need to take extra steps in order to block them through SMSs and regular phone calls as well, depending on your operating system. So there would be different steps for iPhone users and different steps for Android users, but you would need to still take extra steps in order to block the person. But that would be for another video, how to block a person on the phone. So I hope that this tutorial is useful. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and see you guys in another video.